Hi there guys, Mike from MCQBushcraft here with Megan again, and we're here with Emil, which is our hunting guide for today. He's a local hunter in the area, does a lot of different types of hunting, takes people out. He has a very good understanding of this landscape around him. And today we're out for either Capercaillie or black grouse, and we're here with Emil's pointers. He's got 2 pointers with him, and we're going to be going out for the day and catching hopefully something to eat, which we can cook out in the woods or even take back with us if we get a little bit more, put it in the freezer for another day. So hope you enjoy the video, and should be quite an active day, so I'm going to need to take this jacket off because it's going to be quite fast paced. So for people who watch the channel, this kind of hunting is completely new for me, hunting with dogs. And Emil, so just treat me like a beginner. If you explain to me what it is we'll sort of be doing, I guess you'll guide us as we go as well. But yeah, tell me a bit about it.
You can hunt Capercaillie and black grouse in many different ways.
Okay.
But now in the beginning of the season we very often do it with pointing dogs.
Right.
And these birds are not like a pheasant or a grouse. They will not stay very well for the dog.
Right.
So they're running in front of the dogs. So we need to be very fast and a little bit aggressive in the way of hunting.
Yeah.
You can't stop behind the dog when the dog is pointing. You just pass the dog and think that the bird is far in front of the dog.
Okay.
And of course, what makes this very interesting is also you have many different kind of birds. There is Capercaillie, black grouse, hazel grouse, and ptermigan, and you never know what kind of bird it is when he's pointing.
Okay.
So
it's going to be quite exciting then, really.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, we're using an under and over. You probably know I'm used to a side by side, but this is probably where I find out I'm a better shot with an under and over, like everyone says. But yeah, let's go then. Let's see what we can get.
Yes.
Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Just found some chagga fungus here on this birch. Lots of chagga fungus all around here. Just gonna take a little piece. There we go.
We continue with one dog.
Okay.
Good wind. Important to have. It's more difficult when you go with the wind for the dog.
Sure.
Now it's nice.
You just pick up the scent.
Problem is we need to go backwards.
Backwards.
We can't have wind against us all the time. Yeah, 40 meters. Close your gun.
Tiring work though.
Very soft ground.
Yeah. It's like walking in the snow all the time.
Yeah.
So just in case some of you didn't know what was happening, there was a bird, but it flew. And
I didn't see the bird, I just heard. I saw the dog was pointing, and then I heard it flew and dog was running after.
And I was
so
like
it was probably an old bird.
I was like one of the dogs, just running off
Yeah.
in some direction.
Yeah, you was enough aggressive in your hunt.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I saw that. Yeah. Here also,
Another moose.
it's not fresh, but it was. We probably will find more fresher one.
So do you call this a couch?
Yeah.
Like a
Very
like a deer.
comfortable here on this
Yeah.
side.
Must be really warm for them.
Yeah. Like a 5-star hotel. Hey! Come here! Här! He took a bird.
You killed it.
Yeah, it couldn't fly probably. Sometimes when they change feather. So we don't need you to be a good shooter. We get food anyway.
Dogs have done it for us. Blimey.
It's a female, a young one.
So why did he kill it?
No, he killed it because he could. The dog is predator. He
I
was
see,
pointing, but then he understood he can take this bird. Or it was maybe it couldn't fly at all. Maybe there was hunter here before who was shooting at it, or can be whatever. But it can also be when they are changing feather that they can't fly very bad. That they fly very bad.
Well, we've got lunch.
Yeah, we got something today then.
We have something to eat, yes. And we didn't even need to use cartridge.
There you go.
Yeah. Old. Go in there. Yeah. Sit. Nick, kom här då! Nick! Nick, kom här! Här! Ja, go to the dog. Go left to the dog. Här! Nick! Kom hit! Här! So we pretty much know where they are.
Yeah.
Almost all of them went in there and down. Now it's normally better to wait a little bit,
Okay.
because now they just drop down and they don't move at all.
I see.
So it's very difficult for the dog. But if you wait some time, they will start to move again and eat. And then it will be easier for the dog to find them. So we wait there for 10 minutes.
Sounds good.
Okay. Oh, shoot, shoot. Good. A big old male. They make this noise.
Yeah?
Yeah. Uppåt. Sök, sök. Oh, shoot, shoot. This is
Well, that was a first for me.
old male who make this sound
Right.
when
Okay.
they fly up. And you can
It's a
also
beautiful
see
bird.
it's very beautiful, yes. And you can see the male. It's not a big difference, male and female. Male
Yeah.
have more dark brown on the chest, yeah, these feathers. And in the winter they become totally white.
Right. Okay. Wow. So it'll gradually start to shed
Yeah.
these feathers and produce more white ones.
Yeah.
It's quite a nice bird, isn't it? Probably get a few more, a few more for the pot. Well, we've got one courtesy of the dog and this one here, so yeah,
We
good
will
day.
see. We will see.
Yeah.
Come with me. But maybe there is a second one, so you can go to the dog. Go up to the left. Left. Shoot.
It's in the tree.
Yeah, you can go there and shoot it. No.
No! Damn!
Nice try,
Pulling a
love.
car exactly. He is pointing again.
Oh dear.
So we can grill on the beach.
Sounds good, yeah.
There is really no wind today, huh? So I cut out the breast. They have bigger breast than a normal chicken. Chicken have big legs, but they have very thin legs.
I
You see, there is almost nothing on the legs, but the breast is very nice. But the legs can be good to make a soup. And you can also take the heart and the muscle stomach to make soup from. Quite big breast. And you see the Capercaillie have one inside fillet which is more light, that's very very soft, and then the bigger one is dark, the same color like the ptermican. The old big male, he have double size of each breast.
Big male Capercaillie.
Yeah, Capercaillie, like the one we saw in the
in
camp.
in your camp. So that would have enormous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not very tasty to grill it
No?
like this. The big one, old one, that you need to
The
cook.
meat gets old, I suppose.
Yeah,
Tough.
very tough. Yeah,
Yeah.
but this is
Just-
young birds. No, the ptermigan is old, but the Capercaillie is young. It will be very delicious.
Nice.
So it's quite well done.
That looks great. Probably not bloody enough for Meg. Oh, it is towards the centre actually.
Here is good in his hand.
That is absolutely delicious. Mmm. You've got to try some, Meg. Amazing. I know you want some too.
So, if you go back in time 200 years, it was very often the Sami people made cheese from the reindeer milk, and to keep it over the long time, they smoked it in the Sami hut. They put it up at the roof where the smoke anyway went out, and then they had cheese for the whole winter. And now this is a little bit forgotten in Sweden. Nobody are used to smoke cheese anymore. So me and my wife was talking about this and decided to start a new company who now is producing smoked cheese, Lapland cheese. Very good to grill or just to eat as it is.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Eat us for like half an hour. But he was in a tower, so he was feeling quite secure.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just want to say a really big thanks to Emil here for taking us out and working with the pointers and helping us out. Was a really interesting experience for me, and getting to cook them at the end was great, wasn't it? Because obviously you're working really hard, covering a lot of ground through very, very boggy terrain, and it's nice to be able to eat what you've caught at the end of it. I must say that the Capercaillie, the young Capercaillie that the dog caught was amazing. It was really delicious.
Yeah, it's very soft meat because they didn't eat the pine
Right.
at all. They only was eating blueberries and fruits from the nature.
So in the winter when they're eating the pine needles, they toughen up a little
Yeah,
bit.
more tough, yes.
Okay. We got lucky then, I guess. Right time of year
Mm.
for soft meat. So, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again. Yeah, I'll see you again in another one. Take care.